Welcome to Muktagasa College, Muktagasa, Mymensingh. This is Sujal Kumar Sarkar, lecturer in English, presenting this class of 11 graders of session 2020 and 21. Dear students, you have already got admitted into Muktagasa College, and you know that we are passing a critical time because of the pandemic situation of COVID-19, and because of this pandemic situation, our education system or our curricular activities have been being hampered seriously since the beginning of this year. But we cannot sit idle at our home. We have to continue our academic activities, curricular activities. Bangladesh has already reached the platform of digitization. That is, we are reaching to our dream of digital Bangladesh. So, our Ministry of Education has taken a time of the decision to take online or virtual classes. So, the ministry has already passed an order for the educational institutions of Bangladesh to perform their classes virtually, that is through online classes. So, according to the decision of Education Ministry, our college authority has also made a decision to continue our classes virtually. So, all the departments of our college has already started to continue their virtual classes. From the very beginning, I want to congratulate you, your parents and your high school teachers, primary school teachers, because of their guideline, because of their support, you have been able to admit yourself into a college. Side by side, I would like to thank my college authority, especially our honorable principal, Mr. Swapan Kumar Das, because he has already passed an order for all the departments and member of the departments to take virtual classes. And as per the decision of college, we have already started our classes virtually. We know that we have no alternative of taking virtual classes because the pandemic situation of COVID-19 is going on. We do not know when it will be over. So, we have to continue our classes until or unless this pandemic situation of COVID-19 is over. Dear students, you have already understood that my subject is English. On behalf of the English department, I have also started my class, and this is my introductory class with you. So, I have something to say about our department, about our college, and about the syllabus of English. your English is of 200 marks. First paper is of 100 and second paper is of 100, that is grand total 200 marks. Today I shall not elaborate my class, as it is an introductory class with you. I think we should be introduced. I am Sujal Kumar Sarkar, lecturer in English. In our department, I have more to learned colleagues. They will also take their virtual classes, and they have already started to take their virtual classes with you, and this is my first English class with you. Today I want to make you introduced with your first paper syllabus. This is paper 1. You have to study part 1 reading, 60 marks. This is your syllabus and marks distribution. Question number 1A, MCQ, gauging meaning from context, 5 marks. Comprehension questions, open-ended questions relating to analysis, synthesis and evaluation. Number 2, information transfer or flowchart, 10 marks. Summarizing a passage, 10 marks. Question number 1, 2, 3. These 3 questions will be set from your textbook. But question number 4, that is cloze test with cloze, 10 marks. This question will be set according to question setters, as is wishes. Cloze test without cloze, 10 marks. This question will be set after question setters. Number 6, rearranging sentences. There will be 10 sentences. This is not a new item for you. You have to arrange the sentences, and marks is 10. To answer these questions, you need not write the sentences. Here you will write only the serial numbers in a box or without a box. You need not write the full sentences. Part 2, writing test, 40 marks. Question number 7, writing paragraph answering questions, marks will be 10. Completing a story, 7 marks. Writing formal letter or email, 5 marks. Analyzing graph, charts or maps, this is a new item for you, 10 marks. Appreciating short poems or stories, this is new item for you, 10 marks. Here you have to do identifying theme or subject matter or interpretation, this is your first paper syllabus and marks distribution, and your textbook has 15 units and more than 50 lessons. All the lessons are very interesting, and if you will go through the lessons of your textbook, you will be able to develop your listening, speaking, writing and reading skill. So you have to follow or study your textbook attentively. Nowadays it is a matter of sorrow that most of the students do not follow their textbook. They run after only guidebooks. This is not wise. If you study your textbook attentively, you will be much benefited. You have to remember this suggestion attentively and sincerely. If you do not study your or follow your textbook, you will not be able to make a good result, or you will not be able to cut a good figure in English. So my advice for you to study your textbook, and side by side you have to master your grammatical skills. In second paper you have to study grammar of 60 marks. If you study grammar of 60 marks, you will be much more benefited. In this way, within 2 years, we shall complete our English syllabus. So my earnest advice for you to follow our online classes, because again I want to say that we do not know when the pandemic situation of COVID-19 will be over. So we cannot sit idle at our home. We have to continue our curricular activities at anyhow. So according to the decision of college authority, we are ready to take our virtual classes. I think one day we will be able to go to our college campus to get together to participate in actual classes instead of virtual classes. Up to then, we have to continue our virtual classes regularly. So you must attend your online or virtual classes. All the departments of Muktagasa College will continue their virtual classes. So all of you are sincerely advised or suggested to follow the classes. I think all of you will be benefited from these virtual classes. Dear learners, as this is my introductory class with you, first class with you, I don't want to elaborate this class more. As I have come to the end of my class, I want to suggest you to collect or buy two books. Number 1, English for today for classes 11 and 12, that is textbook. You have to collect this book as early as possible, and side by side you must collect a good grammar book, and I want to suggest you to collect or buy the book named Applied English Grammar and Composition, compiled by P.C. Das. Dear learners, I hope from the next class you will sit before this virtual class with these two books, with papers, pen and other necessary elements as per your need. Dear learners, at the end of my class, again I urge you to pray to the Almighty Creator so that we can be able to go to our college campus as soon as possible, so that we can grow out the pandemic situation of COVID-19. So pray to the Almighty Creator. Let us pray to the Almighty Creator. Dear learners, this is the end of my class. I again thank you to participate with me. Stay safe and sound. Thank you so much.